Another day, another Jamaica vlog. Wagwan people, spend the day with me. So I had to start off my morning with some fresh fruit. Girl of our orange and girl of our coconut. Yeah. And today was an exciting day because we had to pack our bags for a little staycation. How exciting. I watched Tickers a show legs. Boy, girl, fluffy girl, debo. Always I gotta represent for the tick girls them. Anyways, we drive going to Mandeville and we wanted to get a little food before we checked into our staycation. So we went to Wendy's and one thing about me, I'll get the chicken biggie box every single time because what do you mean we get burger and fries and nuggets and they can't forget the sauce. So yeah, we numb up that real quick. And then when we're belly full, we drive to go a Gulf View because that's where we're spending our little staycation. So they had some cute Valentine's Day room specials going on. So I said, yeah, we're gonna book a little night to spend. So this was us getting into the hotel to check in and they gave us welcome drinks. After me never know, so Gulf View give welcome drink like some of their resort. But anyways, here was the room. It was cute or whatever, cute and girly. Yeah, I'm gonna have a full room tour and Gulf View hotel tour on my page real soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, here was my outfit of the day. Y'all look good, not true? As I took us, y'all look good. Anyways, in the night we got hungry, so we went to KFC because y'all did want our 2-piece spicy, but I'm not gonna tell no lies, really a 3-piece spicy my buy. Yeah, I'm yum up that, and then we pretty much just chilled at Latitude Lounge for the rest of the night. It is located at Gulf View Hotel and I love their lounge ambiance and vibes. I got a strawberry daiquiri, which was so good. So good. And we pretty much just chilled out by the pool for the rest of the night. And then we went back up to the room and yeah, y'all in my business a little bit too much. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.